To stop your phone from keep switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Now tap the blue on off switch next to switch to mobile data to disable this option. When the switch runs green, it means that this option is off. When this option is off, your phone will use the connection from Wi-Fi network over mobile data when both connections are available. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.